know that that's on me.
Never had a moment where I ever questioned you. You already know that. I ain't never stressed with ya. Love me and you own that. That's why I'm so impressed with ya, blessed with ya. If you haven't noticed, I am at my best with ya, yeah. Yeah, they know you're my heart. Yeah, they know I'm about you. I hear when we're apart, 'cause I love me, you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. My little sister's here and we're getting ready to go to a show in a little bit and do some other things, you know, be out on a town or whatever. So I'm getting ready to show you guys how I get ready. It's a lot going on in my background because it's a mess. That's what happens when my friends and my family come to stay with me. It's all types of stuff in the background, but don't mind that. Don't even mind it, because I'm gonna show you all this beauty right here and you ain't gonna worry about that no more. So I look real ghetto right now. My hair is very curly, so I have to, like, when I slick it up or slick it back, baby, it takes some work. Okay, so right now I'm about to show y'all. I'm gonna start with my edges. I'm gonna go ahead and fleek my edges real quick, and then after that I'm going to show you guys how to do my makeup. My skin has been breaking out just a little bit the last few weeks. I don't know if it's my boo getting on my nerves. I don't know. He's been getting on my nerves. I don't know if that's what it is, or I don't like to put makeup on my face when it's breaking out. I'm not gonna go crazy on the makeup. I'm just do a little subtle concealer, do a little eye makeup, whatever, because my outfit is mad cute and I'm gonna show y'all that too. So stay tuned. It's lit.
Fuck all your free time. You don't need no me time. That's you and me time. We be getting so loud. That dick make me so small. That dick make me so proud. Ooh, lay your head down on a pillow. I'ma fuck you real slow. Need to hear you say my name. Close your eyes and let your feels go.
Good
now
and
you're getting real close, baby. I am on
swoop.
the
We gotta,
way.
okay. Swoop daddy over here. Alright. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. You see that? Don't play with me. I am not the one to play with you. Do not play with me, because I do this. I'm so cute. Anywho.
You sprung off in the springtime. Fuck all your free time. You don't need no me time. That's you and me time.
Alright. Bye. My edge is done. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna let it dry and then I'm gonna come back and beat his beautiful face. What you do? I'm dead. Alright, so I don't have any primer. I just realized I ran out of primer. So I'm going to be using Lancome SPF Sunscreen Cream as my primer, which is a good, I found out this is a good primer. Alternative for a primer if you run out of primer. Also aloe vera gel is supposed to be, but I think it's like the pure aloe vera gel. So,
it's looking like you stuck with me, 'cause I got you sprung off in the springtime. Fuck all your free time.
that's done. I'm gonna move this bite and do my face.
Now lay your head down on a pillow. Turn the lights down real low. I want you to say my name.
I'm gonna be using Bobbi Brown foundation. I don't know if you can see that. No, you can't, but it's okay. Bobbi Brown foundation, warm almond. And now I'm just gonna put some here. And now,
don't be surprised, baby, it's just me. Don't be surprised, boy, when I bust it wide. I hypnotize you with this pussy. Now
Now, foundation. I mean, concealer. And I mix NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Contour Concealer. I use Warm Honey and Golden Honey. I mixed them together to give it, without doing too much of a highlight, and still make it look like my natural skin color, because I'm trying to do a simple beats.
Don't be surprised, baby, it's just me. Don't be surprised, boy, when I bust it wide. I hypnotize you with this pussy. Now you feel like you can fly. I got you sprung off in the springtime. Fuck all your free time. You don't need no me time. That's you and me time. We be getting so loud. That dick make my soul smile. That dick make me so proud. Ooh,
Come say hey, Nana. She said, Bang. So, this is my face after foundation and concealer. I'm going to go ahead and bake. Bake it up. Bake it up. This is mad ghetto, y'all. I don't do this all the time, but my thing is wet and I don't want it to mess up my what you call it. I'm gonna just use this to get it. Now, the brows. Ooh, what time is it? 30. I'm on a time limit, y'all, because I have somewhere to be at 11:30 before we go to the show. Voila! I need that music on a TikTok. And then, where you know the one I'm talking about? Where you do like. This that I'm using is my this is why you don't get your eyebrows done too much. I have very thick eyebrows and I used to get them done a lot, and so some of my parts of my eyebrows just don't glance anymore. But this is NYX Eyebrow Powder Pencil. I just do that, brush them up, and then I take this, my NYX Tinted Brow Mascara in the color, this is brown, but it's like espresso. Got it! It's espresso. I was right. Look at me trying to have some perfect eyebrows the day that I film. Okay! Yes! And I use LA Girl Pro Concealer High Definition in the color FAWN. Just put it on my hand. I'll go to work. I'm in a rush, so I'm not even gonna talk the rest of the way. I'ma just go ahead. Cue the music. You can get enough of me, yeah. Well, I guess
it's looking like you stuck with me, cause I got you sprung off in the springtime. Fuck all your free time, you don't need no me.
If y'all was wondering why I was getting dark on my eyelids. Now I'm gonna do my eyeliner and my lashes, and we're gonna get the heck up out of here. So, yeah.
I want you to say my name. Close your eyes and let your feels go. Now you're getting real close, baby. I am on the way. Now that I've got you right here,
this is to shape my lid, cause I don't want to do. I'm in a rush, and if I use the water one that doesn't have like this tip like this, it'll be all messed up. So I just like to use this. I'm rushing, that way it gives me a more precise shape.
You sprung off in the springtime. Fuck all your free time. You don't need no me time. That's you and me time. We be getting so loud. That dick make me so smart. That dick make me so proud. Ooh, lay your head down on a pillow. I'ma fuck you real slow. Need to hear you say.
I'm not gonna show y'all the type of glue I use, because the glue that I use is ghetto, and y'all are gonna talk about me. But I don't use lash glue. I'm just leave that. I can't put this part on there. Okay, guys. So I'm done. I'm rushing, so this is like kind of ghetto, but I'm gonna show you guys after I'm dressed. We're running right now because I have somewhere to be at 11:30, but this is the finished look for my makeup. Yeah. I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, so I need my hair done, so unfortunately I'm looking like this still. I'm looking like this till I get it done. But yeah, so now I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing.
I know you love fucking me. I can tell by the way you in love with me. You can't get enough of me, yeah. Well, I guess it's looking like you stuck with me, cause I got you sprung off in the springtime. Fuck all your free time, you don't need no me time. That's you and me time. We be getting so loud. That dick make my soul smile. That dick made me so damn proud. Now lay your head down on a pillow. Turn the lights down real